capturing this moment. This is Fresa trying to say, give me your food. Panzon, he has his fish. He doesn't want to give it up. She's like, you're taking too long to eat it. Oh, you gotta love dogs. You hear Panzon saying, well, stay away. This is mine. This is a daily thing, because Panzon takes his time to eat, whereas she wolfs down her food. And then she tries to get his portion. Oh, you two. You're just taking your time, right? Come poop dog. Are you eating? Let's see what he does. Yeah, that piece that you just saw with Panzon, that was Phylon's. And this is now, this piece, or this fish, was Panzon's. So, guess they traded. It tastes good. It's funny that he's starting with the head first. moment he leaves, then that's when Thressa will come in here and take it. So I'm going to end up leaving him out here with it and let him finish this off. I usually feed my small dogs in the garage, but I'm not going to do it with fish. I don't want a fishy odor in my garage. It's a bright sunny day today. What, you want to steal his food too? You like the fish, don't you? Yeah. Well, it looks like Moko's getting some of the table scraps. She's getting closer. She's gonna grab that tail. Well, this is natural dog behavior. Let's see what's Ponson doing. As you can see, he has barely touched it. But he's protecting it. Phylon came out to check what I was doing. I think Moko's gonna come up and steal it, but Phylon. Yep. My little coyote got it. You're screwed now. That's his. He's not giving it up. Is that good, Moko? Yep. He's not giving it up. You tell him. You tell her, Moko. It's like, this is mine. They invaded your space, huh? If Moko was a little bit smaller of a dog, or once he gets older, I will probably chop up his food. But I know, like from experience, when I give them whole chicken legs or whole chicken hindquarters or leg quarters, he's able to chew up the bones. So if he's able to do that, then I feel comfortable him being able to chew up these bones. So this is good for their teeth, being able to chew up this stuff. This is better than a chew toy, better than giving them milk bones or any of those other ones that are supposed to clean, quote unquote, clean your dog's teeth. Giving them raw food, giving them... Of course, she's still protesting in the background. What? What's wrong? You notice there's no dog fights here. They roughhouse a lot when they're playing, but he's gonna get annoyed. He's like, "Gotta take this elsewhere." It's like, shut up. Here we go. What are you gonna do? You try to steal his food? Moko's not giving it up. Hi, Moko. Yeah. A lot of people, they're small dogs. their teeth, they have to get their teeth cleaned every so often when they're giving them dry dog food or giving them processed dog food. My dogs, before I had my dog's teeth cleaned once. My small dog's teeth cleaned once. Moko and Squinkla. Squinkla's inside right now. Ever since I started them on a raw food diet, they have pearly whites. They don't need their teeth cleaned. So because all this chewing up the bones, chewing up other, like all this stuff that they're chewing through here, it cleans their teeth. It's just nature's natural way of doing things. Let's go see what Bonzon's doing. She's persistent. What are you doing? Huh? Why are you doing that? You're getting annoying. Huh? You're gonna eat her, or you're just gonna let it sit there? You're gonna let it marinate in the sun and then decide to eat it. Nincompoop. Going back and forth. Also, all this chewing action that they're doing, this helps get all that energy out of them to inside. Now they don't chew on anything that they're not supposed to. So. There's a little guy underneath this chair. He's trying to be sneaky. Well, now I know Moko likes fish. And so do you, don't you, Phylon? Shoot, the way you're going at this, you're going to be done before Bonzon. Or you'll get full and then end up letting Phylon take this. Or Fresa. Whoever's the more opportunistic. And probably if this was Squinkla, I'd probably chop this up because she has had a few teeth removed. And this was before this was after we got her from Animal Services. Her teeth were really bad, so when the vet cleaned her teeth, he had to remove a few teeth. So whereas Moko, he's been taken care of well. We've had him since as a puppy. So. Well, hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm gonna end this now. Y'all have a good day.